Here's some yours.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. Tried to get chill, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the could when I'll be giving it my best. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Hey, yeah, yeah. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's a God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our side. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Do, 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 I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged my glass, so I drew in a face and a laugh. I guess what I was saying is there ain't no better reason to read yourself a vanity and just go with the season. What we aim to do